Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow appear on top permission on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on apps. In the apps setting page, tap on the option key at the top. From the pop-up menu, select Special Access. In here, tap on Appear on Top. In this list here, go down the list and select which app can have permission to use Appear on Top. So for example, if I want this app here called Math, if I want to grant it permission to appear on top, then you tap on the toggle button to switch it on. If you want to revoke the permission, just tap on the switch to turn it off. And that's it. That's how you can allow or don't allow appear on top permission on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.